This learning space will be designed and implemented with high school physics teachers in mind as leaders and learners. This space will be a group of connected physics teachers who have a specific goal in mind in which to address a particular technology that they want to use in the classroom. This space will be a safe online environment where connected learners will combine their efforts with individual contributions, talents, and experience to address specific technology which can then be utilized to teach physics at the high school level. The online community will be safe for all participants. Each participant will be vital, and the community will suffer if one member ceases to participate. Of course, applying the knowledge in the class is the ultimate goal for this community. The learning community will be developed with the following goals in mind: collaboration on how to best use technology, implementation of this technology in a problem-based teaching model, the use of iPads, computers, and videos to create videos, and these videos will be used for students outside the classroom. For a period of one school semester, this learning space will focus on the technology and techniques needed to develop teacher-prepared videos. Time will also be given to the space that will be used to create these videos, such as a green room. Participants are invited to contribute. Given that the learner is more important than the information, the story of each participant learner, culture, background, race, or gender, will contribute to a shared culture of learning. All participants should include a profile to include a picture and a brief introduction. Attempts should be made to collaborate on only the focused topic, and all participants should contribute on a regular basis. The preferred social media site to communicate with other participants will be Facebook, and could change if participants agree on another social media site. Participants will collaborate on software that supports video technology and integrates use of iPads and computers with video and audio equipment. 10 teachers who have shown interest in the PBL model, that is the problem-based learning model, and who teach physics will be invited from high school campuses to participate in this learning community. All participants are encouraged to faithfully communicate and comment about the collaborative efforts that we each contribute. Participants are requested to regularly stop and evaluate progress towards the goals and disregard unprofitable information. And every contributor should feel a sense of ownership and equal say and should feel free to communicate. To keep the momentum going, remember, student success is the goal. Participants will be encouraged to tell their stories of implementation, success, and failure of what they have learned and applied in the classroom. What technology they use, collects the data, report the findings, and a reflection by all the members. An evaluation area will be made available so members can evaluate the learning site and give feedback. How is participant-to-participant communication? Do we feel safe? Do we feel a sense of ownership? Are our goals being met? Are my contributions acknowledged? All this will be evaluated. To transform the community members into connected people, all members should share their stories in the context of the goal to keep the conversation going. All participants have a voice, all members are equally responsible, and all participants might be asked to change to a new paradigm. For this learning space to last, sustainability comes from passion and consistency. The leader and its members are expected to show in order to keep participants engaged and enthusiastic at each stage. Of course, there will be barriers to overcome: having the right mix of members, coming to an agreement for member involvement, setting a time to attend to the learning site, time to respond in a thoughtful way, members not being involved, and members who want to complain. Thank you.
Created using Powtoon.